Let's make productivity simple and effective. Step 1.
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. But how, why, and what? Well, you've probably also come across a lot of these self-improvement videos, and take this channel for example. It is called Modern Ideas. They have over 171,000 subscribers, and they only made 8 short videos so far, and additionally they have accumulated over 4 million views. I know you want to do this too. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your very own self-improvement channel content with AI. So, are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Let's take a look at their latest creation to analyze what they are doing. Okay? Let me talk over it because of copyright issues. Well, they simply use a voiceover, stock videos, and captions. It is so easy. Let's get started. First of all, we head over to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to make a self-improvement channel on YouTube. Please give me the script for the first video. It should be about how to get things done. Please give me a 1-minute script to read out loud. And yes, you can obviously ask for a longer script, but for this tutorial's sake, I am using only for 1 minute. Okay, that is amazing. But we want it in one text, so let's write, "Thank you, but please the narration text only." Just perfect. Now copy the text. Go to 11 Labs. That is an amazing free-to-use AI text-to-speech generator. Go to the voice library like this. Now pick a voice you like and add it like this. Now here we simply paste the text and press Generate.
Hey there. Welcome to my channel, where we're all about leveling up and becoming the best versions of ourselves.
Just marvelous. Now download the audio. Next up, you are going to drop the audio in a new CapCut project like this. Now the next step is optional, but I highly recommend doing it. You are going to cut out the pauses and make the whole listening experience a bit more exciting. Just do what I do. Now next in line is getting hold of all the visuals, so go to a website like Pexels. Here you can download any video for free that will fit to the narration. Now add it to the project and chop it up. And now comes the secret sauce. In order to make your video go viral, it is advisable to add famous content. What do I mean by that? Well, now you need to add famous scenes from movies, for example, or famous events. Doing this will give you video more credibility, and it is more likely the video will go viral. So, for example, download high-quality scenes from The Wolf of Wall Street or other inspirational scenes. Now, when editing it in CapCut, make sure you first of all mute the audio, and you only show very short pieces. Because, as you know, we are only allowed to use copyrighted content in a way that we transform it enough. As you probably saw, I used the 4K video download. Amazing tool, but you can obviously also use any other free YouTube video downloader online. Now go to Text and add a text template when you've also got steps to illustrate like me. let's do some more editing. And guys, if you have found a channel that you want me to do a breakdown of and explain how they make their videos, simply write it in the comments. Now add some nice transitions like this. Now add some auto captions like this. Next up, choose a template and put the text in the middle. Now add some nice filters to give the video a universal look. Now you could also consider adding subtle sound effects. Simply download them on YouTube and add them. Last but not least, add some soft background music from the YouTube audio library. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your very own self-improvement channel content with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Let's make productivity simple and effective. Step 1. Write it down. Don't rely on your memory. It's a trap. Grab a notebook or use a productivity app to jot down your tasks.